Hey guys, olesilva 10 here, and today I have 3 Pokemon Black and White blister packs with the promo cards, a Tepig promo card, blister pack, Snivy, and then Oshawott. So yeah, I'll be opening all 3, and the videos will be on my channel. But first off, in this video I'll just be opening up the Tepig, so yeah. Alright, let's just see, get this open. Yeah, I've had these booster packs for a while now, just I haven't really had the chance to open them. Just a bit annoying with the glue. Yeah. There's 1, 2. Hopefully it doesn't damage the card. Alright. Let's see what we got. So Tepig promo card number 7. Not sure if you can see there. So yeah, Tepig, it's pretty cool. Just to add to my collection of promo cards. And a coin as well. With all of them. So yeah. We have 3 booster packs. And then just open them up. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Alright, we have Joltik, Pidove, an Oshawott, Solosis, a Switch, a Full Heal, a Simisage, yep, Professor Juniper, a Reverse Alomomola, don't think I have this, and a Lilligant Rare. Alright, second packet. Un, dos, tres. Alright. Batil. A Patrat. Potion. A Mincino. Pansage. Alomomola. An Energy Switch. The card trick wrong. A Reverse Runa. Don't have this card. A Holographic Samurai. And just Revive. Alright. On to the final booster pack. Alright, see what we get. Batil, Energy Search, Oshawott, Purloin, Switch, Ordino, Pokeball, Swoobat, a Reverse Lillipup, and just a rare Liepard. So yeah guys, thanks for watching the video, and stay tuned for the other blister pack openings. Thanks.